galloping bingo. He likes horses.
Well, yeah, I don't think he does. He's a school teacher. But fancy galloping like that flat out up a hill with your wedding dress and riding boots on. They all got married in riding boots. And all the maids, bridesmaids wore galloped on horses too.
Here's the zoo coming around towards the 600. He's on the outside with the blinkers on today. Oops, I lost him. Oops, there's Louise's hair.
Just watch his action anyhow. That's the. See whether he can put on. Yes, he can. Look at him, he can start straight out.
Going a lot straighter than he did in his breeze up.
Don't you go out the gap, little fella. She's taking him across there.
Hard rain. Yeah.